In this video, I will guide you to set time and date in digital wall clock. This is step-by-step tutorial will help you to set any digital clock available in market having got similar display where time, days of a week, date and temperature is mentioned along with 4 button on back panel. So if you also have got digital wall clock and you want to set time and date, then this video will be really helpful. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date in this digital wall clock or any digital wall clock is, let's go through the button. Here are total 4 buttons. One is set button, another is up, the another one is down, and the last one is exit. Press set button once to start. As you see here, I press set button for once. Now the ear is blinking. To go forward, press this up button. As you see here, up is mentioned. Press this once to go ahead. 26, 27, 28. In this way, you can go ahead. Now, if you want to go backward, press down button on left. Press down button on back panel. As you see here, this is down button. Press this to go backward. So this is how you can go backward. After adjusting ear, press again set button. Now you can see here the month is blinking. Now to adjust this month, do the same step that we have learned in here. Press up button to go ahead and press down button to go backward. After adjusting month, to adjust date, again press set button. Simply by pressing set button, you can now adjust date. Again press up button to go ahead and down button to go backward. After adjusting this date, now to move towards time, again press set button. As you see here, I press this set button over here in back panel and now the hour is blinking. Now to go forward, press up button. 4, 5, 6, these are hour. If you continue pressing like this, the AM and PM changes. See here, it's AM. Now this is PM. If you want to change this, you have to continue changing hours. After adjusting hour to adjust minute, press set button again. Now you can see here, the minute is blinking. Now to adjust minute, again, you can see here there are 2 buttons. One is up button and there is down button. Press up button to go ahead. See? 28, 29. Now to go backward, press down button. After adjusting date and time, now you can see here at last there is exit button. Simply press this exit button to fix the time. You can see here the exit button. Press it. So once I pressed it, the adjusted time is fixed over here. So this is how you can adjust time in any digital clock having got similar display and 4 buttons on back panel. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching.